오.
근데 여기 열릴까?
에코.
와우 와우.
오.
Oh no! Hey. 야하!
에코.
굿바이.
Okay, let's go. 근데 여기 열릴까?
굿바이.
오케이.
Hey, let's go.
Hello.
Hey, let's go.
와우.
근데 여기 열릴까?
A few minutes later.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey!
Hey, hey, hey. Bulpu sekali.
Okay.
Oh no! Wow!
Lekau. Wait. Wait. Okay. Hey, lekau.
Oh no!
Hey.
Bye!
Several days later.
Go! Hello! Bye!
Build a bridge for the train. Train station.
Is the train coming soon? Probably soon. Whoa, here it is.
The train continues its journey. A road with 2 lanes above and below.
No.
Oops! Spider-Man seems to be cleaning in the wrong place.
Okay. Hey, let go.
Oh no! The ground is cracking. Not good. The upper lane is collapsing. The train is still approaching. Be careful!
No.
Oh no! I'll call the rescue. At the rescue center. Hello, this is...
Huh?
Oh.
Hello, this is...
This is not the time to joke.
Oh no!
We need to quickly go to the rescue train.
Okay.
Rescue vehicles are ready to hit the road.
Go! Go!
Leading the way in the excavator. Tractor crane. Finally, the concrete mixer truck. The vehicles line up and head to the incident site. The train is trying to reverse safely.
Hello!
The excavator starts working. The excavator scoops up the debris into the tractor's bed.
Okay.
The debris is carried away. The excavator continues to dig holes. For what? I wonder.
Wait.
Bye! Hello!
The crane lifts a beam, placing it in the hole. Continuing with the remaining 2 holes.
Bye!
Concrete mixer truck. The cement mixture is poured into the bins, forming sturdy concrete columns.
Hello!
while the bridge is lowered. Railway tracks. A bridge for the train is completed. The train journey can continue.
Thank you.
Bye.
Huh?
Whoa! Wow!
Goodbye.
One day later.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay.
Bye.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye. Hello. Go! Hello!
Huh?
Hey.
Hey, let's go.
Hello!
Wow!
Hello!
Several days later.
Hey, 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 hey. Let's go.
Oh no!
Okay. Let's go.
Goodbye!
Okay. Take care. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Hello!
Okay, let's go. Thank you. Okay. Let's go.
Princess, Mario is coming. In a small house, Princess Peach is sleeping. Bowser is coming. Bowser has seen the princess.
Oh, she's so pretty.
Peach is still unaware. What is Bowser planning to do? A bag. Oh no, does he kidnap the princess? Bowser carries the princess and puts her on the truck.
Help me.
Let's go. How's lucky today?
A while later, Mario returns. Peach, I'm back. Hey, where's the princess? Huh? Unbelievable. Does he go to sleep? Elsewhere, where is Bowser taking the princess? Going over a bridge, the tractor stops. What does Bowser have planned to smile so triumphantly? Oh my god, Bowser wants to burn bridges! The wooden bridge bursts into flames and is quickly burned down completely. So Bowser wants to stop Mario from saving the princess. Bowser's castle.
Let me go. Please. Mario.
No Mario will be able to save you. Get in, quickly.
Bowser continues to go somewhere. The princess is sad and scared.
Mario, why haven't you come yet? No, I have to do something.
The princess throws her clogs away and flies straight at Mario.
Ow, my head! What's going on? Huh? Princess's clogs? Mario looks around, realizes something was wrong with the princess, quickly goes out to save her. Mario drives to the bridge. No, it will collapse. Mario takes all his strength and drives the tractor ashore. It's not okay. I have to think of a way. Mario goes to see Luigi. Hi. Mario swaps strawberries, a lot of strawberries,
Okay.
to get new wooden bar.
Bye.
Returning to the bridge, Mario begins to rebuild a new one. Mario arranges the wooden bars one by one, spreads them from one end of the bridge to the other. The new bridge is complete, and Mario continues on his way to save the princess. What else awaits Mario ahead? The tractor moves onto another bridge. Nothing. Hey! Be careful! Two spikes table blocks his path. Mario has to get over it on his own. Let's see how Mario overcomes the challenges.
Okay.
Finally, he arrives at Bowser's castle. Bowser is very focused on guarding the princess.
Okay.
Mario quickly jumps into the green pipe, goes around the back of the castle. Aha!
Mario!
Princess, I'm here! The opportunity box creates a ladder, and Mario has saved the princess. Oh, hurry up!
Possible.
Princess, hold on tight!
Okay.
Princess is mine.
The two tractors chase each other closely, extremely tense.
No.
The jail is waiting for Bowser.
Mario, you're not good. I will definitely take revenge.
Game over, Bowser. Bye-bye.
Hey, wait. Hey. Bye.
Ha!
Okay, okay.
Oh no!
A few moments later.
Oh no!
Ha!
Help!
Huh?
Oh my gosh!
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Hello!
Oh.
Wait, wait, wait.
Okay. Hello!
Okay, okay, okay.
Several months later.
Wow!
Okay, okay, okay.